Let's build and feel the vibe, let the bass drop, kick the snares on high for all the good times, jumping off mushrooms and grinding across the wall like King Parrot. Go ahead and hang a plaque for this. I make beautiful music, relax a bit. With her I drain the whole bank account. I've been smoking too long, I need to reconsider my consequences. The Alpinas and the Audemars really don't mean shit at all. And if my love should fail, then I would be the end of our love affair. Blue and purple clouds in the air, we burn the Dutch together. Hop up in a Bentley and roll a bowl together. In the coldest sweaters, our love will keep us warm forever. I feel like I feel the build the good times, like the bass drop, feel the good vibes, and now we gone in and I'm zoning, and we going wherever we go, we own it. You've only scratched the surface, potential's bursting from the casket, reanimating like with cadavers, in the breath of fresh air mixed with acid. The platinum boy can spit with platinum magic. Yes, the tool, got the golden tool, got amazing views, and I'm raising two joints in the air for my mom and my sister. Yeah, I missed her. Reefer got me feeling like it's magic, cause good times is where I'm headed. Hold your head up, this is heaven.
The potency is lethal weapon.
I'm a weapon. This is heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. And the potency is lethal weapon. I'm a weapon, now you drowned in deep depression. Got you feeling all this pressure. So you roll with me, you feeling stressless. She's always on my guest list. I copped the pie with the whole thing.
I think I'm in the
Reefer got me feeling like it's magic.
It's magic.
Cause good times is where I'm headed.
Where I'm headed.
Hold your head up, this is heaven.
Heaven.
Potency is lethal weapon. Now I'm a weapon, now you're down in deep depression. Got you feeling all this pressure. So roll with me, you have you feeling stressless. I'm just wishing she was stressless. And she's always on my guest list. When I feel the need to get the high for the low, I cop a pie with the whole thing. And I think I'm in the right place. And I'm driving, my mind's racing, and I'm pacing back and forth. These images I'm recreating. It's like a movie in the making, and this is how the game is for the taking.